In a mixture of 45 liters, the ratio of milk to water is 13 is to 2. How much water must be added to this mixture to make the ratio of milk to water as 3 is to 1? So how to solve this problem? This is a very common types of problem, and each and every exam these types of problems are coming. So it is given that mixture of milk to water is 45 liters, and ratio is also given over there 13 is to 2. So sum of the ratio, that is 13 plus 2, is equal to 15. So here the quantity of milk, that is the quantity of milk, 45 into 13 by 15, that is 39 liters, and quantity of water, that is 45 into 2 by 15, that is the 6 liters. After that, let the x liter of water to be added, then the water 6 plus x liters. So the new ratio will be the 3 is to 1. See, as it is given over there in the question paper, 3 is to 1. So 39 divided by 6 plus x is equal to 3 is to 1. After that, cross multiplication, after that online simplification, you will get x is equal to 7 liters. Hence 7 liters of water is to be added to the mixture. Come to the next question. In the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls in a school of 560 pupils is 5 is to 3. If 10 new boys are admitted, find how many new girls must be maybe admitted, so that the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls may change to 3 is to 2. This is also a little bit same types of problem. So let's come to the solution part. Ratio between the boys and girls, 5 is to 3. Total number of students, pupils means who are starting in school, basically school children, they are called pupils, that is 560. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Number of boys, 560 into 5 by 8 is equal to 350, and number of girls, 3 by 8 into 560, that comes to 210. So number of new boys admitted 10. So total number of boys 350 plus 10 is equal to 360. So consider X as the number of girls admitted. So total number of girls is equal to 210 plus X. So based on the condition as it is given over there, that is the 360 is to 210 plus X is equal to 3 is to 2. So after a little bit calculation, ultimately you will get the X is equal to 90. So 90, X will be equal to 30. So 30 new girls are to be admitted. Let's come to the next problem. The monthly packet of the monthly pocket money of Robi and Sanjeev are in the ratio 5 is to 7. Their expenditures are in the ratio 3 is to 5. If each saves rupees 80 per month, find their monthly pocket money. This is very easy types of sum. Consider the monthly pocket money of Ruby and Sanjeev as 5x and 7x. Their expenditure is 3y and 5y respectively. So 5x minus 3y is equal to 80, and 7x minus 5y is equal to 80. After that, multiply the equation 1 by 7 and equation 2 by 5 as we have done in the previous class. You will get 35x minus 21y is equal to 560, and 35x minus 25y is equal to 400. After that, if you deduct one equation from another, 35x will be strike out. So only the 4y is equal to 160, so y will be equal to 40. So in equation 1, 5x is equal to 80, class 3 into 40 is equal to 200. So x will be is equal to 40. Here monthly pocket money of Robi 5 into 40 is equal to 200. Let's come to the second problem. In a school or class 10 of a school, the ratio of the number of boys to that of the girls is 4 is to 3. If there were 20 more boys and 12 less girls, then the ratio would have been 2 is to 1. How many students were there in the class? That is the question. So let's come to the solution part. So consider x as the number of students in the class. So ratio of boys to girls 4 is to 3. So number of boys 4x by 7, number of girls 3x by 7. So based on the problem, so 4x divided by 7 plus 20 is to 3x by 7 minus 12 is equal to 2 is to 1. After that we can write in this format. After that a little bit simplification, you will get the value. So you can take a screenshot also. I am giving 1 minute time, just to take a screenshot. Okay, after that you will get x is equal to 154. So thereafter 154 students were there in a class. Okay, let's come to the next problem. In an examination, the ratio of passes to failure was 4 is to 1. If 30 less had appeared and 20 less passed, the ratio of passes to failures would have been 5 is to 1. How many students appeared for the examination? That is the question. Consider number of passes 4x, so number of failures x. Total number of students appeared 4x plus x is equal to 5x. In case 2, the number of students appeared 5x minus 30 and number of passes 4x minus 20. So the number of failures 5x minus 30 minus 4x minus 20. So for further calculation, a little bit this one minus this one, you will get ultimately x minus 10. So based on the condition, 4x minus 20 divided by x minus 10 is equal to 5 by 1. By cross multiplication, you will get x is equal to 30. So number of students passed, that is 5x is equal to 5 into 30, that is equal to 150. Okay. Find the value of x in the following proportions. 10 is to 35 is equal to x is to 42. Let's come to the solution part. Very easy. 10 into x is equal to 35 into x is equal to 10 is into 42. Okay. So x will be is equal to 10 into 42 divided by 35. That will ultimately you will get x is equal to 12. So coming the part of second, that is the second solution, that is 3 is to x is equal to 24 is to 2. See, 3 is to x is equal to 24 into 2 into 2 is to 2. So x into 24 is equal to 3 into 2. So x will be equal to 3 into 2 by 24. That comes to 1 by 4. Come to the next problem. 2 into 5 is to 1 0.5. 2.5 is to 1.5 is equal to x is to 3. So we can write 1.5 into x is equal to 2.5 into 3. So you will get x is equal to 5. Come to the next problem. 5 is to x is to means equal to 3 is to 2. So x into 2 is equal to 50 into 3. So x will be is equal to 50 into 3 by 2 is equal to 75. Find the fourth proportional 2, 3, 12, 15. How to do? Let's come to the solution. So consider the x as the fourth proportional. So we can write 3 is to 12 is equal to 12 yeah, is equal to 15 is to x. After that, the same way we will proceed. 3 into x is equal to 12 into 15, so x will be is equal to 60. Come to the next problem. 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. So 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4 is to 1 by 5 is to x. Here the meaning of is to means is equal to 1. So going to the same way, x will be is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 5 into 3 by 1. So ultimately you will get x equal to 3 by 20. Come to the next problem. 1.5, 2.5, 4.5. So 1.5 is to 2.5 is to, that means equal to 4.5 is to x. So ultimately you will get x is equal to 2.5 into 4.5 by 1.5. So it comes to 7.5. Come to the next problem. 9.6 kg, 7.2 kg, 28.8 kg. So 9.6 is to 7.2 is to 28.8 is to x. So it comes to 9.6 into x is equal to 28.6. Here omit the first line, that is 9.6 into x is equal to 6.2. Omit this line. 9.6 into x is equal to 7.2 into 28.8. Okay. So ultimately we will get x is equal to 7.2 into 28.8 divided by 9.6, that comes to 21.6. Find the third proportional, 5, 10. So 5 is to 10 is to 10 is to x. So in the same way we will get x is equal to 20. So third proportional will be 20. Then find the x will be third proportional, 0.24 and 0.6. So always take as equal to x. After that, the first one into fourth one is equal to second one into third one. You can apply this formula. You will get x is equal to 1.5. Consider x as the third proportional. Again you are taking x is the third proportional, so 3 and 12. So it would be x. So 3 into x is equal to 12 into 12. So first into the last is equal to second into third. Okay, so you will get x is equal to 48. Come to the next problem. Consider x as a third proportional. 5 whole 1 by 4 at 7. So let the third proportional be x. So 5 whole 1 by 4 means 5 into 4, 20 plus 1, 21 by 4. Okay. Into x is equal to 7 into 7. Apply the same format. You will get x is equal to 9 whole 1 by 3. Okay.